All right, today we're going to do a video of an Acer EMILL Model 3VK. It's new in 2016. Has a TORQ-RITE pneumatic drawbar. It also has an ACU-RITE 3-axis CNC MILLPOWER G2 control. I'm going to run the machine for you now. That's the low range, again variable through a VFD. It's about 250. Nice and quiet. That noise you hear is just the drawbar rattling around. There's no collet. Switch over to the high range. That's about 1,000 RPM. That's 2,000 RPM. 4,500 is the max. Again, very, very quiet. Brake. Move the quill up and down. The axis is also nice and quiet. And you have your table in and out. Y-axis nice and smooth. Your X-axis, again, also nice, quiet, smooth. Machine has glass scales on the X and the Y axis. Machine's presently wired for 220 volt. It can be seen in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse under power. Thank you for watching.